Gentle.
There's
No.
You're beating up my son. You're beating up my son.
Oh.
Give him the old raspberry on the belly.
Max, what's going on there? Some funny business.
We've taught you some very bad habits.
Yeah.
Very bad habits.
Nicholas, I don't think he wants any more raspberries, honey. I don't think he wants any more raspberries.
Max, what's going on?
No. Don't throw that in. No. You
Max.
roll it.
You be gentle.
Oh my god, I was crying. You got a little bit.
Nicholas is fighting with the love bug.
You got the crazy going on.
Yeah, if I'm bending over and there's like any exposed skin on my back, all of a sudden there's a.
Max.
You like, picking up food off the